भाई ये नदी है क्या? आई थिंक वी एनकाउंटेड अ रिवर राइट नाउ ब्रो। आई थिंक हम नदी वदी के पास आ गए। ओह नाइस ब्रो, दिस इज अ फकिंग रिवर ब्रो, दिस इज अ फकिंग रिवर ब्रो चैट। आ सकते हैं इधर से। वाओ, but this is a fucking river bro, like can you see this chat? We just found a river. I think गोमती रिवर ही है ये, आई थिंक सो। और कौन सा होगा? गोमती रिवर ही है, आई थिंक सो, यस। और तो कोई लग नहीं रहा हमको, गोमती रिवर ही लग रहा है। यस सर, आई थिंक दैट इज, दिस इज द गोमती रिवर। गोमती रिवर आगे हैं चैट। यस सर, चलो एक काम करते हैं, आगे तक चलते हैं। लेट्स गो थोड़ा आगे तक। यस, लेट्स गो थोड़ा आगे तक, देख लेते हैं क्या चल रहा है उधर। लेट मी सी क्या चल रहा है उधर।
ये वाली चाहिए क्या? ये वहाँ के बता रहे।
वाओ ब्रो, लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस ब्रो चैट। दिस इज द गोमती रिवर भाई, दिस इज रियली गोमती रिवर। आई होप सो आई वोंट गो दैट साइड, बट this is Gomti River bro chat. Oh my god, feels so good seeing the river, feels so good. Oh, you can do boat ride also here? Really? I just see a boat right there bro, right there I see a boat. You can actually do a boat ride? Fuck no bro, you can fucking do a boat ride bro. ओके, नो वरीज, हम थोड़ा सा पास जाएंगे उससे, देखेंगे क्या चल रहा है। मन किया तो बोट राइड कर लेंगे, नहीं किया तो देखते हैं फिर क्या करना है। बट हाँ, वाई नॉट, वाई नॉट चैट, वाई नॉट। वो देखो, खुद चला सकते हैं कैसे? खुद चलाने का है कुछ सिस्टम? ये वो फास्ट वाली बोट है भाई, ये फास्ट वाली बोट है एकदम। अरे वो मम्मी को लेके आना था इधर, मेरी माँ नहीं आई यहाँ तक, माँ को लेके आना था इधर। अरे यस सर, आई हैव टू टेक माय मॉम हियर फॉर द बोट राइड। भाई यहाँ से तुम छलांग भी मार सकते हो, देख रहे हो तुम। एक्चुअली कचरा पूरा डंप होता है, आई थिंक सो यही है। नहीं तो यहाँ पे कचरा क्यों पड़ा रहेगा, पूरा कचरा नदी के अंदर जाता है। दैट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग भाई। गवर्नमेंट, लखनऊ डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी, प्लीज लुक इनटू दिस, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन हियर। दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू सी नाउ, थोड़ा सा चैट, यू कैन सी द बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑफ कचरास, राइट? Hold on, I'll show you like this. You can see the kacharas and everything. It's from that side only, bro. Bro, kachara is everywhere. Oh my god. Bro, look at this, chat. It's everywhere. It's everywhere, bro. Kachara is everywhere. This is like a dumping ground, and look at this shit. Oh my god, I feel so bad right now. And what the fuck is that? I feel so bad right now, bro. Look chat, are you looking into this? Oh my god, bro, I feel so bad for this nadi. It's Gomti nadi, only nadi that we have, and it's getting fucked up. What the fuck is this, bro? Oh, this music and shit. This is a restaurant. Hell nah. Hell nah, bro. I'm craving. my dancing days to Alan Walker. Lucknow water sports. Speedboat, chess, foosball, motherboard, jet ski. Okay. Okay, this is the water sports basically, chat. This is the water sports. यहाँ पे तुम you can jet ski, you can do speedboat, motherboat, and kids train, and chess ludo अंदर होगा, soccer अंदर होगा. So ये trampoline है by the way. You can see. This is the trampoline. And it's like a crazy. I need to take my family here, bro. On God. I need to take them here. Bro, you see the jet ski? Feel bad about the river, bro. For the river. This is the jet ski, bro. No, I think this is the speedboat, not the jet ski. This looks like a crazy place that I would love to bring my mom, bro. I would love to bring my mom here, bro. Like on God, I would love to. Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Bro, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me, little Dugu. Little Dugu. Don't bite me, Dugu. Oh, oh, he's hungry. Oh, choo 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 choo. Oh, choo 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 choo. I've been following you, Dugu Dugu. Little Dugu Dugu. Choo 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 choo. Oh, choo choo choo. Oh, choo choo choo. Oh, cho little, cho little. Okay. Anyhow, Dugu is searching for something. So I had a dog named Dugu in Mumbai. It was not mine, but my flatmates. And I miss him so much, bro. Like, I know he's in a better place. I mean, he's not dead, but he needed a family, bro. Like proper family who can take care of him. And now he's with the family, not with us bachelors. So it's good now. I mean, it's really good now. But I miss him, bro. Fucking miss him. And sometimes I think in life you have to do, you have to not think of yourself, but the other one, and just, you know, let go, bro. Just let go, bro. That's what I do. Everyone should be happy, bro. In the end, don't be a cause of anyone's unhappiness or anyone's. It's bad karma, bro. It's not good karma. I don't know where this road leads. But fuck, bro. Chat, I'm already tired now. I'm so fucking tired, bro. Like carrying this bag with 2 laptops. Yeah, I have 2 laptops in my bag. 1 laptop I have to courier. 1 laptop I already had, so I got 2 of them. So yeah, it's this place never ends or what? Like, on God, bro, it's not ending. Oh my God, I'm getting tired, bro. This goes like, oh my God, I'm gonna go out, bro. Hell nah, I'm gonna go out, man. At least we found a new place, by the way. Check. We did. You know what? I've been dancing since 5-6 years now. Now I've stopped dancing. Nothing is happening because of me dancing. I thought I'll become like Larry or Lauren, which I am a bit closer, but there's no opportunity for me, bro. I mean, it's difficult for a dancer, bro. Really difficult. I think you'd be a content creator, which I'm trying to be, by the way. Not working out really well, but yeah, trying my level best. So either you be that or just do a job and dance. Yeah, so there's that thing. See, life, you have to figure it out your own way. By the way, I'm going back because I cannot walk through the entire passage. It's so, oh my god, tutty and tutty everywhere, bro. This passage is too long, the Gomti passage. So I'm gonna go back. Go back and find a way out like that. Oh shit, bro. Shit, man, shit. Chad, I'm so fucking tired right now, bro. On God, I'm so fucking tired right now, bro. I think I came in the wrong place. Bro, Lucknow is too big, bro. Bro, Lucknow never ends or what? I mean, what is this, bro? Give me a plot somewhere so that I can build a house here. Lucknow is too big, bro. I mean, is it ending? And it doesn't end or what? Doesn't end or what? Okay. Fuck it. Fuck it. We'll go out now. Bro, we're gonna go out, chat. So sorry I can't do this. I'm so tired, bro. At least I need something, bro. I'm so tired, bro. I need a lift. Right now. I need a lift. Fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. Bye, bye. We're gonna go out. Anyhow. Peace out, chat. I'm tired as fuck now.